Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the overview of Darwinbox Demo Complete HR software. Darwinbox is a modern, cloud-based HR software platform designed to simplify and automate all aspects of human resources management. It offers a complete suite of tools that help companies manage their entire employee life cycle from hiring to retirement all in one place. The system is user-friendly and works well for businesses of all sizes, including startups and large enterprises. With Darwinbox, you can manage recruitment, onboarding, attendance, payroll, performance, employee engagement, and more. The recruitment modules helps HR teams find and hire the right talent faster with features like job posting, applicant tracking, and interview scheduling. Once hired, the onboarding tools ensure a smooth welcome experience for new employees. Attendance and leave are automated, letting employees check in, request leave, and view records via mobile or desktop. The payroll module handles salary calculations, deductions, taxes, and pay slips accurately. Performance management tools let managers set goals, track progress, and give regular feedback. Darwinbox's self-service portal lets employees update info, request leave, and view pay slips without HR help. The software supports surveys, feedback tools, and internal communication to boost employee engagement and workplace culture. One of its best features is mobile accessibility. Employees and managers can handle tasks from their phones. To start a free demo, enter your email address, first name, last name, phone number, company name, and number of employees. It also integrates with many third-party tools like Slack, SAP, and more. Darwinbox focuses on data security, customization, and analytics, giving HR teams clear insights to improve decision-making. It's an all-in-one, affordable solution to modern HR challenges. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.